Bitcoin is here moving again to the upside, but the question is this a sustainable move? And there is a certain fractal pattern that has happened in the past, and when it happened, we had a 2,400% move for Bitcoin. And I will also talk about Ethereum and Cardano. Hi and welcome, guys. My name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's jump here straight into the charts. So when we are looking here on Bitcoin, wow, look at this here on the 1 hourly chart. Bitcoin is here making a move right now, crazy to the upside. So, and I want to show you here something. It looks like that we have formed here somewhat of a W pattern. So you see it better if I draw it now in here, kind of like this. So, and now the target, if I go to the lowest point, so always take it from the neckline to the lowest point and then look where the target is. Guys, again, it is crazy confluence that we get here with these support resistance flip levels. So you can see here, this move here, that move that we are seeing right now, the target is almost the next resistance line here within our support box, now resistance box again, at 48,351, and only $28 above is the next bigger resistance level. So what I make out of this move is if we get all the way up to the technical target of this W pattern, then what I would like to see is some more follow through, that we get over the 48,379 level, flip this again to support and break above our box here once again and make here a move to the upside in direction of $50,000. There was also something on the 4 hourly time frame, and here we can see that we are more or less forming here a diamond pattern, a diamond shaped pattern. So yeah, my drawing skills are not the best, guys, as you can see. So a diamond pattern. So diamond pattern is by textbook normally a bearish pattern. So because they tend more to break to the downside than to the upside, especially when we had just a breakdown. So, but they can also turn bullish and break to the upside. We have seen this multiple times in the past. So, and when we measure the target for the diamond pattern here, if it will be confirmed one, we will see it when we get here closer to this line here, then here, this is the target line that we can use. So if we would break to the downside, we would go back all the way down to $44,000. But if we break here this pattern to the upside, then the target is $51,300, and that would also coincide with the next bigger resistance that we face based here on the daily chart when we're looking at this resistance zone. That would perfectly line up with that resistance zone. So if we get here now a move to the upside out of the box, then we could see a move based on the diamond pattern all the way up to $51,300. And here on the daily chart is also a bullish pattern forming. And here you can either say it's a bull flag, but you can also draw it, if you take the wicks into account, as a falling wedge pattern. It is a small one, but it is still one. So, and guys, remember the top of the falling wedge is the technical target. So it's $50,275 would be the technical target for this falling wedge if we are breaking now here, yeah, to the upside and continue to move here into higher levels. We should not forget, guys, that under us are also some crucial support levels. Here, this box here is the last line of defense. If we would come here all the way down and break this box here, then we will enter a long-term downtrend. But for now, it doesn't look like it. The bulls are fighting hard to keep us above $46,000, which is really nice, and that's exactly what we want to see. Then, guys, you should not forget there are only 2 days left to join the trading competition on Bybit, and today is also the last day that you have the possibility to win some merch from Bybit. So yeah, actually, this is already over because I will announce at the end the last winner. So sorry, my mistake. But yeah, you can still take part here in the trading competition and yeah, get a deposit bonus for taking part here in the competition. Now I want to go back to the 1 hourly chart and show you guys something else here. So let me remove this here quick. So when we are looking at the VPVR, we can clearly see exactly what I have said yesterday, that here this cluster is acting as strong support for Bitcoin. And in my opinion, that is with the W pattern together the reason why we are getting here now such a move to the upside. Yes, and here you can also see right now we have broken over $48,000 again, which is also really, really nice. But you will see here the next biggest cluster is lining up with my yellow line here at $48,370 approximately. And I expect there some sort of resistance before we can get here into higher levels. But now I want to show you a crazy pattern that somebody on Twitter was pointing out. So, and that is from TechDev, credits go to him. So he found a fracture from 2017 where we saw the same price action that we saw right now with a drop, with a consolidation period, and then we got a huge breakout to our all-time high. So and look at this, we have here this green section where we looking like that we rolled over, got a drop, created a lower low, then went up, went sideways, and then in the RSI we were forming yeah, a bull flag in the RSI, and then we had a breakout, a crazy breakout to the upside, which led to 2,400% gain in Bitcoin. So now look at this here, July. Again, the pattern is almost the same. We created a lower low, and now we're potentially forming again the sideways action, and we're forming an RSI flag, again a bull flag. So, and yeah, history likes to yeah, not always repeat itself one-on-one, but it often rhymes. So, and yeah, we could see here a crazy move to the upside in the next coming weeks in Bitcoin. This is obviously not yeah, a short-term play, that's more long-term, but yeah, we should definitely be prepared for this. And I believe that this move could start as early as next month. So in a couple of days, we could see the first signs of that move already. Now let's have a quicker look at my Phemex trade. My Phemex trade is getting here in direction of 1 Bitcoin again. So I'm right now here up 45%, roughly a little bit more than $40,000, 0.84%. So if you also want to trade on Phemex or on Bybit, remember I have also a trade open on Bybit, then you can go to the pinned comment below. Right now we have $5,650 bonuses in yeah, all in all together. We have 3,650 on Bybit. If you join the competition, that is a condition that you join the competition to be able to claim the full amount. Or on Phemex, also $2,000 deposit bonus that you can claim with my link. So now I want to talk a little bit also about Ethereum. Ethereum is also now getting here above crucial yeah, resistance support levels here again. So if you remember, I had mentioned that the $3,182 level here is yeah, a really crucial level for Ethereum to move here into a new all-time high. So, and right now we are above that zone again. So if we close this daily candle right now here like this, that would be amazing for Ethereum, because that would mean we would form that tweezer bottom that I had mentioned to you guys yesterday with these two candles. And that would indicate that Ethereum has hit its bottom and will reverse to the upside and then go in direction to create a new all-time high. Also on the lower time frames, we can see that Ethereum broke here out of the downwards trending broadening wedge that I had mentioned yesterday. So we broke it now to the upside. And also here, the technical target is all the way up here at $3,375 approximately. So yeah, this breakout here is yeah, something really juicy to see here in Ethereum. So, and the other thing is you can still open a trade if you want to. It would be not too late to open a trade here. So if you would get in here, you could still make, with a 20x leverage, 80% in Ethereum. So I might take this trade myself, actually. Then let's have a look on Cardano, because there I also saw something crazy. Look at this here. So you remember I had put here the Fibonacci extension levels for Cardano. So to see where we might potentially go in the short term. So now look at this. We are testing once again the 1.236 level at $2.83. So we are now above it here on the 4-hourly chart. So and guys, I can tell you, if we are closing this 4-hourly candle above this significant level here, then the next level that the bulls in Cardano will target will be all the way up here, the golden ratio, the 1.618 and the 1.65 at $3.40, $3.45. So, and yeah, if you would trade this, then we are talking here about a 20% move. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, that trade I will definitely, I will trade this myself on Phemex, because Phemex lets you trade Cardano futures. So that is a trade that I will take myself on Phemex right now after that video, and I will prove it to you. You can go to my Twitter, my crypto coach. There you can see that I open a trade for Cardano to play this. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram and actually see how I'm now remodeling my studio, that's why you see here this black thing behind me, go to my Instagram. My Instagram is crypto_Alex. And I have over 400,000 followers there. All other profiles are fake. I'm working right now to get my verification, but don't trust any other profile. I have only this profile. Now, let's see if we could also have here a bearish play. But I don't see here any bearish play right now for Cardano. We would need for that come under this line here again and break here also this crucial box here that we merely tested here with these candles. So the technical target for the falling wedge is also here at roughly $3. So there is still plenty of room for Cardano to go here to the upside and met the target. And yeah, like I said, I believe we will go then much, much higher. So now let's get into the draw for the merge for today. I have seen that now we are a little bit more people in my team. Yeah, now we have 30 people. So I will adjust the number here to 30. Let's see who wins today. Number 11 was already drawn, if I'm correct. Let me check here again, Mr. Number 11. Yeah, so no, you cannot win twice, only once. Number 30, that is a new one. Number 30 is somebody from the Philippines. So p@something.com Philippines. Number 30. So if you see here this video, please reach out on Twitter or on Telegram so that I can get your merch to you. So congratulations. So then the last person, 24. That's also a new person. So that's k_something_d@something.com. Yeah, so also congrats to you. You also won the merch. The merch will be shipped on Monday to each and every one of you. Yeah, guys, thank you again for supporting this channel. I really, really enjoy creating content for you guys. So yeah, and if you want to support the channel, then just go to the pinned comment below and click one of my affiliation links if you want to take the trades that I give you absolutely for free, either on Bybit or on Phemex. They have both really nice deposit bonuses right now. Because they have both trading competitions going on. I don't take any donations, so if you want to support the channel, just do this, and obviously click also the subscribe button. That's really important, with the notification bell. Yeah, guys, that's it for today. Again, it's a wrap. So thank you again for tuning in. Please don't forget, as I said, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, also hit the notification bell, and I see you tomorrow.